How to make a good intro for YouTube videos. Make it short, make it professional, make it to the point, and let's start. So create a free account with Canva or upgrade to Pro if you wanna make your life much easier. To sign up to Canva, grab the first link in the description and try Canva Pro for 30 days, or just sign up for Canva free. Then log in into your account and click on Create a Design. Type in the search box YouTube, and then from the drop-down menu, choose YouTube Intro. On the left side, you have many templates you can use for your intro, and this is what we're gonna do now, because look how pretty those templates are. You don't have to work too hard to make your stunning intro. So I like this one and it's free, so click on that and it will import it in your canvas. Then double click on the text and let's type my name. You can change the color here and you can change the font here. And now, as you can see, when I move, it's all moving together. So just click on that and click on Ungroup. And now each and every element will move separately. Let's make it wider so it will be in the same line. And then let's write something different here. Cool. Now we want to replace those videos. Click on the video and go to your uploads, and then upload your media, your video from your computer. Or if you already uploaded your videos, just click on the videos here and you can choose one of your videos that you uploaded. So I'll choose this one, I'll grab it and I drag it to the frame. Then I want to cut it on the scissors. I want to make it, let's say 2 seconds will be enough. And you can see how long the video in here. Click on done. Then let's click on the second video and choose something else. This one. Make it 2 seconds. Cut it to 2 seconds too. Click on done. But no, I want to move it a little bit farther. Some action happening. Let's put something nice on the background. So click on the whole thing. Then you can upload your photos, or you can go to photos here and search for something like laptop. And if you want to find some free, you can click on filter here. You can filter them by free, apply filters. So I like this one. I'll just drag it to my frame. Make sure it's on the background, and now you can see that my name is not very noticeable. So to make this background a little bit more transparent, or you can adjust the brightness here, and then you will see your name is popping out. Now let me create another page. You can duplicate the page here, or you can add new page, blank page here. Now let me duplicate the page, and to edit the second page, I want to make sure I'm on the second page. Click on that. Let's get rid of this, and instead of that, we'll put some call to action. So go to elements, type in subscribe, and you have all these options. I want to filter them by free, so click on the filter, apply free filter, and let's say I like this one. Click on that, resize it, position it as you like, and the only thing left is to add some music on. Unfortunately, when you scroll down to audio and you try to find something free to use, you won't find. You'll see this pro icon, and even if you click on free, that means it's free, copyright free, but it's not free to use, and there's a difference. So my suggestion is to go to YouTube and go to YouTube audio library. Click on your icon, then click on YouTube Studio. Then on the left, scroll down to audio library And here you have many songs you can choose for your video. And if you hover over license type, you will see that you're free to use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution is required, so you even don't have to mention the author. You can filter here, and to download, just click on download and it will be downloaded to your computer. Then go to Canva and go to uploads. Then click on upload media, device, choose the music you downloaded to your computer, click on open. Now I already downloaded the music I wanted to put in this, to insert in this intro. So to find it, go back and in uploads, choose audio. And here is my song. So I'll just drag and drop it into my canvas. And now it's applied on both pages. And also here you can choose what part of the music you want to be played in your song. So then click on play and you can see here how it looks. So when you're done, click on this little arrow and download your intro. Make sure it's MP4 video and make sure all the pages included and click on download. So that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it helpful. If so, give it a big thumbs up. So I like to hear your opinion on my videos and I answer every comment of you guys. So I'll be happy to hear from you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.